दोस्तों, अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं क्रिकेट से जुड़ी किसी भी खबर को सबसे पहले, तो अभी हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए और जानिए क्रिकेट से जुड़ी हर खबर को सबसे पहले।
Picking up a wicket outside the off stump, just back of the length, frustrated the batsman, and then this happened. That was a good hit. Managed to thump the ball into the gap. Good way to...
Straight away, attacking the spinner and welcoming him. Nicely done off the back foot. That's the length is not right there.
And knock the stumps over.
And that's a horrible shot. I mean, he's trying to play it with the spin, but he's nowhere close to the ball.
For the innings, so from the get-go, they decided to take pace off and hit good lengths. So 5 bowlers used today, 3 spinners, and that's going to that 50 a little bit earlier in the innings. But be it as it may, that may well be a boundary, well struck. The Royals want to bank a couple of dot balls. And he comes down, and that's going to be a 6 all the way.
Is going out and trying to hit big because that will create the opportunities. This was way too wide. It allowed Imad Wasim to just, extend those arms and reach it. When you're into the stumps, that's when the worry comes in for the batsman.
We got him. What a delivery to start. It does not get any better than that, knocking that middle stump out the ground.
Swung in late, back at him to the left-hander, got that middle stump. Way Usman got out in the last match as well, and Heather Ali trying to chase a delivery that was too wide, and again excellent deception from Abrar Ahmed, and this is a peach.
There's the shot. It had to come. The pressure was building, and that's released it. March starting his second. The big stroke. And it's very, very big indeed. It's gone all the way.
2 mid-wicket, there was no fielder there, and it would not have made any difference because it was going full.
Also like the way he's targeted the first ball.
A high full toss. Is it going to be a no ball? Yes. Apology from the bowler straight away. But to his premier bowlers. That's why he exhausted the quotas. But here, had the opportunity. Oh, how well he has utilized. Oh, that was in the poor delivery. Changed the length. And that was the mistake.
Azam, he's been looking for the boundaries, and one can fully appreciate why. There's just under 2 overs left, and the 69th, a 6th powerful strike. He's a big lad, and he backs a powerful punch.
It was in the slot. And all he had to do is just swing. Bang. And went flat. Shazil for a moment thought he might have an opportunity, but gone right through. He's got the middle stump and nothing else.
Excited by that, and with the variable bounce that has got right through Azam.
Not only he's got the middle stump,
In a big way in this last couple of overs, we've seen scores
they've done differently today.
Dangerous. Yeah, no heroism is required.
Bowler's running as quick as that. Oh, he's going.
Never gets overawed. Indeed. Should have been taken, considering they are defending a small total. Nevertheless, Shajid Khan off the mark with that 6.
Just won the first innings, 6 and then a wicket the next ball, so he lost at the second ball as well. He kept it out, but just stand and deliver. Tell you, he just had the distance to survive that one. No one back in that part of the ground. Fine legs up, deep square legs up, another boundary.
Completes the over number 1. It's 11 without loss. Nicely timed.
Here's another look. He tried to pick up on that mid-wicket area once again, which is vacant. They've got a deep... Oh, he's got very fortunate here. He's tried to stand and carve it on the offside, but has gone behind the keeper for 4.
It's a cruel game, isn't it? At times. Musa starting off quite well. He is penalised for nothing. Inside edge, and the pressure is on the bowler. You got a feel for the bowler.
Keeper, no chance, and so close to that off stump. That delivery. See where he comes up this time, Sharjeel. Oh, superb. He's gone against the line there, right across it. Lovely little drone shot running in with Musa. I enjoyed that. Oh, a flicked, and that's so close to short fine leg. He thought he had a chance. It would have been an absolute blinder of a catch if he got it. But he's straight in line, and Mukhtar picking it up and
Way leg. Yeah, inside edge. Again, Musa unlucky. Couple of boundaries already from
start. Oh, it's gone leg side again, and it's another boundary. He's just erring in his line here, and he's paying the price.
Yeah, Musa has to keep his wrist behind the ball. That's where he's faltering. And not far off from the umpire. Third boundary of the over. Not a good one. Considering him.
He loves it there. I tell you what, you bowl on his hip and he just helps it on its way. Comfortable as you like.
Khan. That was Kashmir Oil. Mazze ki boundary. Yeah, it was enjoyable.
Slower ball in that similar area down to deep square leg. Sharjeel is commanding that area at the moment.
This is of Sharjeel Khan. And if you keep on bowling him there.
Oh no, he's got through the mid-wicket fielder. I tell you what, that man on the boundary there, he's had plenty of work, Musa. He's
Again, a short pitch delivery. And if the angles created by the bowlers are suiting the batter, you're in trouble then. There you go, Sharjeel. Loving it. He's telling the bowler, keep on bowling me there, and I'll keep on hitting you there.
back of the hand, slow ball. He saw that, he read it like a book. Tell you, it just doesn't matter where they're bowling, they're just getting smashed on the leg side. You just got to put someone there. They got deep.
Well, Salman, first ball, Salman trying to hit him over mid-off and just drags it a little bit, end up going straight, and the man along and comes around.
This is the crucial catch of Sharjeel in the very first over, dropped at the boundary. It was a tough one, but still a chance.
And Mukhtar deciding it's time for him to join the action out there. That's a second boundary out of the 10 that he scored, and you can never go wrong when you look to score down the ground. Naga Salman just slightly over pitching that one. Mukhtar obliges.
And a half volley to work with, and Mukhtar Ahmed making sure now.
As he knocks that one off the back foot. Just gives you an indication of the sort of wicket they're playing on. That's a shot played with a lot of authority by wicket.
And that's a beautiful shot. This time Mukhtar using the pace and rise. Excellent back foot punch there.
That's a good cricket shot in any format. Uses the width as an offer. PSO carrying colourful drive, and that sure is a wonderful back foot drive. The races to the...
You have to...
It's a length hard there, and that's flicked away to the leg side. Mukhtar really finding form in the middle of the bat. Just seems to me that he's assessed the pace.
Point in the tournament, because they want both the openers to score runs. Not very comfortable. There was pace on the ball, but in the end it was into the gap in the square leg region.
First ball, Sharjeel offering that chance, went straight up, and from there on in they have pretty much picked off the Warrior bowlers at will. No real inroads made by the Warriors. Just failed to string any dot balls together. Only 16 dot balls and a 10 boundary scored in that power play by the Royals. Mukta finished the power play with a couple. And, first ball, Sajil offering that chance, went straight up, and from there on in, they have pretty much picked off the Warrior bowlers at will. No real inroads made by the Warriors. Just failed to string any dot balls together. Only 16 dot balls and a 10 boundary scored in that power play by the Royals. Mukta finished the power play with a couple. And, first ball that he might struggle with his length every now and again.
In the air, should be taken, and is. For the right area, hitting the ball straight in the air. And he was rewarded with 6 runs. Got the elevation right as well.
Seam.
He's found. No, he has not. That has cleared the rope. Much needed boundary, and on this occasion.
And the skipper Imad was in having the calmness to assess the situation and get the ball to the. That's a record to be proud of for Shoaib Malik. Yeah, quite straight again from Imad, just erring.
This could find the boundary rope as well, so an excellent over right now for the Rookle.
Runs here, could be 2 if they come back. No, yeah, they should. He's kicked the ball to the side. Nothing. आपका bowling unit, आपकी fielding बिल्कुल अलग नजर आई है पिछले 2 मैचेस के मुकाबले में.
हाँ, बिल्कुल काफ़ी बात हुई थी 2 मैचों की वजह से. काफ़ी हम लोगों ने बात की थी और थोड़ा सा बॉलिंग में और फील्डिंग में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था, तो हमने आज बिल्कुल उसके ऊपर बात की थी, डिस्कशन की थी, कोशिश की थी कि अपना बॉलिंग डिसिप्लिन करनी है. आपको पता है छोटा सा फॉर्मेट है T20, तो इसमें थोड़ा सा.
Yesterday and still losing the game by 196. That's a good shot. Didn't quite get it in the middle of the bat, but he still managed to race it away for 4 behind square on the onside. 11 overs. Wow. That's a nice looking shot. He smashed that through covers. That's the kind of shot Shoaib Malik is known for. It takes a lot of work to prepare those. As the PSO carry a colourful drive there from Shoaib Malik.
I think the bus is a colourful drive as well. Yeah, that's an example. Any width.
No, I guess it's just all about personal choice. They really
win now. A lot of support.
That's the shot. That's beautiful. Another quality stroke from Shoaib Malik, and ends the over. Here he comes, and there it goes. All the way almost up into the commentary box. I'll tell you what, it's a batting masterclass from this man.
And Shoaib Malik, the captain, hits the. I think he's appreciating Shoaib Malik. Good sportsman spirit there. He loves to go down the wicket, use his feet, and hits it straight. That's his signature against spin. Still one of the best against spin.
Here we go again. What?
From Shoaib Malik's bat. Just look at that. Ball away from his body, inside out. Beautiful shot over cover.
I say the shot over extra is the best shot in cricket. The feeling, poor bowler. Goes again. 3 in a row. So we said this was the contest you pay good money to watch, and it's worth every cent. Well, that's South African cents. Rupee, I should say.
Excellent batting here by Shoaib Malik. Just look at that head when the contact is being made.
Games. And their run rate is also looking terrible, so this is trying to make a big comeback here in that stakes as well. Bowler bowled it full and wide, didn't want to go for another maximum 3 in a row. The pull stroke, I'll tell you what. Oh, that's hit him straight. The fingers coming up, Musa. He deserves it, he's toiled very straight throughout. Another look there. Bit obscured by the... I think that's okay. That hit him on the roll, Malik.
That's not even
Got his man, he's chopped it on.
दोस्तों अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं क्रिकेट से जुड़ी किसी भी खबर को सबसे पहले तो अभी हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए और जानिए क्रिकेट से जुड़ी हर खबर को सबसे पहले।